What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see and could tell by the title, we're going to be talking about my safe today. What I'm going to be showing you guys is how I added lights inside the safe without putting any holes or using the existing holes that's already in it. The safe itself has a pre-drilled hole, but I didn't want any wires going in and out of it. So I'm going to show you what I did. I already got it open, so I don't have to. All right, guys, and what I got here, I'm going to cut the light off in here. What I got here are some motion lights. I got these lights from Amazon. They take AAA batteries. And I got a motion sensor there, so when you open it. And I got one up top. So you can also put some lights up top here, but as you can see, you can look right in here just like that. I'm going to cut these lights off and show you how dark they are inside. As you can see, guys, this is the safe with the motion lights off. I've had this safe for probably about 6 or 7 months with the same batteries in it, and they have not ran out yet. So the safe the motion lights last a long time. I want to show you. I'm gonna put on screen how much they cost. Now I'm gonna cut the lights back on, and I'm gonna show you what I use to attach all this together. All right, the lights are back on. I'm gonna give you guys a look inside. See if you guys can see it. There's 2 strands of lights because there's 2 motion sensors. The lights are attached to them. Also, I'm going to put on the screen the piece of plastic I'm using to attach the lights to. And what I did with that piece of plastic, I got that from I think Lowe's or Home Depot, is I took in measuring tape, got inside, measured it out, cut it. And then I went to the Dollar Tree and I got the Velcro sticks, and it went right to this material. So that's what I have on the back side of these is the Velcro from Dollar Tree. So I want to make this, like everything I do, I want to make this as cheap as possible. Also too, with the motion sensors here, they come with a little sticky adhesive on back. And that goes right on there too. Doesn't move. So guys, I think I did this build with about, man, I don't even know, probably $20. I also have a cordless dehumidifier that I put in here. Keep everything good. So, all right, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm a little winded. I had to get everything from out of the safe before doing this video, so I'm a little winded. I got a lot of stuff in here, but this is it, guys. This is a 26 gun safe from Tractor Supply. I got it like I say, it's been about 7 months ago. Got it on, it was on sale, so it was a good price. And I'm not gonna lie, it's almost time for another one. And here's the sign to the gun safe. 362 pounds. And I tell you, it is every bit of that. It took 2 people to do this, to get this safe in here. You see the fire time on there and the temp. 26 guns. This is a model TS2645. If you guys are interested in this model. So guys, I just want to thank you guys for coming to watch the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And if you got time, leave a comment. Till next time, guys. Have a good one.